Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. Yesterday I did a video on F-droid and I said that it can be counted as an alternative to Google Play Store. A lot of users or a lot of viewers have requested me whether I have installed an app using F-droid or not. Today I thought that I will do a video on an installation process, how to do installation via F-droid. I mean, it is not a rocket science, but people were confused whether we can trust such an application or is it really good. I mean, F-droid, as I've told you yesterday, F-droid only supports open source applications, which means the applications, their source code has to be published as public. So no hidden plays or no kind of foul play. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to install an application using this particular F-droid thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Add-away, an application called Add-away. Okay, fine. So here we are. What we are going to do is we are going to install the application. Click on the install. So it is telling me that it is starting to download. Honestly speaking, no need to jump in. I will do a video on Add-away, what Add-away is and stuff like that. So what really happens here is, if you are installing an application using F-droid for the first time, it will ask for a couple of permissions. What it will do is, it is asking whether you want to install the unknown application from an unknown source. Since majority of our phones do run on Google Play Store, and the ROM which you are using does only allow Google Play Store to install application on your mobile phone by default. You just need to give the permission to F-droid to install the applications. So what really happens is, if you are using an MIUI ROM, definitely you will get a message and you will have something like this: install unknown apps and blah blah blah. So what you really need to do is you just allow from this source. So again, personally speaking, I don't like MIUI ROMs, but since this is a fairly new phone and I don't like to, or I don't want to install custom ROM till the warranty is being expired. If I really have any problem with the phone, then it will create a lot of mess. So click on here. I am aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. It's just a kind of normal thing that anyone would do. It's okay. Just click on OK and go back to it. Then click on install and the application will be installed onto your phone. So the application has been installed. Again, you will get a scanning thing like this. No worries. There is nothing to worry about it. Click back. Go back again. So let's have a look if we have any updates. No. So this is how you install an application using F-droid. Thank you very much for watching this video.